I'm going to take the scooter when he comes back up. And I'm going to go all the way to the top of the hill and show him all up.
You're going to eat shit so much.
No, I'm not.
Like, it'll just be like falling into your mouth even though you don't want it to go in.
Here, hold this. I'm driving. Josh, let me see. I want to show you what's up.
Huh?
Let me show you what's up.
That's my scooter, by the way.
Yeah, you break it, you buy it.
Where?
I'm sorry.
Go!
Let's go. Run!
Now we roll! Oh, my pants! Don't put your foot down while you're going down the hill.
Yeah.
Oh, yum!
Did you get it on video?
No, I'm just holding the camera.
I hope you got all that on camera.
Dude, pull your pants up.
Oh!
There's a hole right here.
Where's the bike go?
What is this? I don't know.